How to install Copilot in Visual Studio Code. So here is a complete guide on how to install and use GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code to boost your coding with AI suggestions. So let's get started. First of all, open Visual Studio Code on your device. Once inside the Visual Studio Code, you can simply tap on any project, or also you can directly tap on the extensions icon in the left hand sidebar, or you can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Tap on the extensions icon, then you will be navigated to the search bar where you can type down GitHub Copilot and search for it. Once you search for it, you will get to see the list of options available. From there, make sure you tap on the first one, the GitHub Copilot. This is what its app icon looks like. And then you can see install button available. Tap on it and install it to your VS Code. Now you can easily use it while doing your coding. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.